Today we're going to take a look at some conversions. First of all, here are the conversions between measurement system, and up here, all through here, this is in your review of chapter 7 are the conversions. If you don't know the conversions, put this on a 3x5 paper, or you can even print this out. But if you don't have them memorized, that's okay. What we're going to do, though, is we're going to use them to do conversions. So let's say, for example, that we are going to convert 8.3 meters to inches. Well, as I take a look at my conversions, I have, 1 meter is 39.3 inches. So I could do that. There's two ways we can do this. If it's a single conversion like this, we could do 8.3 meters. Is how many inches? We don't know. That's what we're looking for. And then we can also say, okay, 39.37 inches is 1 meter. So we want these to match. So we're going to put the 1 meter on the top and then the 39.37 on the bottom. So what's important about these is that you match the units on the top, units on the bottom. Then we can cross multiply 39.37 times 8.3. So we have here 1, carry a 2, 11, 27 is 28, 3 times 3 is 9 is 11, put a 0 in to hold our place, then we have 56, 5, 24 and 5 is 29, 8 times 9 is 72, and 2, 73, 74, carry 7, 8 times 3 is 24, and 7 is 31. Add down, 5, 2, 3, and then we have 1, 2, 3 places. It says to round to the nearest hundredth, so that would tell me right here, and since 0.771 is closest to 0.77, that is where we stop. Now, sometimes we might have to do multiple conversions. So you can just do multiple proportions, or you can do what's called dimensional analysis. For example, let's see, number 64, we have to go from gallons to liters. Now, we don't have liters and gallons here. We have liters and quarts. So we can change gallons to quarts. Here's our plan, gallons to quarts and quarts to liter. So I have 18 gallons. In this case, I could either set up two proportions, change gallons to quarts and then quarts to liter, or we can do what's called dimensional analysis. In this case, we're going to be multiplying. So we put 8 gallons over 1. And now I want to cancel gallons. There's 4 quarts in a gallon. So quarts are going to go on top because this is multiplication. We're talking about canceling. So instead of being on the same level, like when it was equal, we put it on the same level, we put it at opposite levels. And then I have to pick one of these, quarts to liters, liters to quart. The quart's going to go on the bottom, and so I can avoid division. I'm going to put the 1 quart on the bottom with the 0.95 liters on top. I could do it the other way, but then I'd have to deal with long division, and I really just don't like dealing with long division. So what happens here is our units cancel, and we're left on top with the unit we want to end up with liters in this case. So we'll do 18 times 4. Let's see, that's the same as 9 times 8, so that's 72. And we'll multiply that by 0.95. So we'll do this multiplication and finish this. Again, this is called dimensional analysis. So 4, 1, carry a 1 is 7. We have 2 numbers, so 71.4.